Bro, I have done it. Finally, I quit VSCode. And guess what? I'm not going back. Cursor AI just changed everything. If you are still using VSCode in 2025, you are missing out. This AI code editor literally feels like I'm coding with Iron Man's. Let me show you how cursor works, how it's helping me build 10x faster, and why you need to switch today. Still with the end, I will give you my secret tips to master it. What is the Cursor AI? Cursor AI is a next generation AI code editor built on the top of VSCode, but it's smarter. Imagine writing code and your editor helps you write functions, fix bugs, and even generate entire file instantly, like ChatGPT inside your editor, but way more focused on coding. But why I quit VS Code for this? Let me be real with you. VS Code is amazing, but I wasn't built for this AI fast area. I was tired of copying code from ChatGPT, pasting into VS Code, fixing errors, switching steps again and again. Cursor AI changed the game. Everything is one place. Inline AI code suggestions, explain any code, fix errors with a one-click, generate code from a command, chat inside the editor based on your code base. Alright. So now we will actually download Cursor AI from their website. This is their website. Cool, great, awesome. Okay, so I'm using Windows, so if you're actually using Mac or another operator, so this time you can download. So I'm downloading for my Windows. Okay, look at this, they're already installed, but a few minutes ago I already installed, and yep, that's the reason I cut. And you can actually install. This is simple and normal. It's look like VS Code installations, so you don't want to worry about it. Just install, download and click install, next in this way. So after that, so let's go. Right now I'm installed. This is the Cursor interface. Wow, look at this. And another things is, so let's explore. First of all, I want to say the directions where where will be the file location. So let's go. There's a file, so open folder. So in here you can write, or you can create any kind of new folder. So I'm creating the Cursor. I'm select it and select folder. Okay, that's cool, great. I'm actually this is the new terminal. It look like VS Code, but you know that Cursor AI, they are getting inspirations from VS Code, but they're different. They are more smarter. They are not VS Code, but they take inspirations from VS Code. And if I talk about that, this is the terminal, right? This is the actual chat sections. We can chat in here, and also look at this. This is the auto section. So in auto section, if I off the auto section, so this time, so we can see a lot of Cloud 3.5 and the Gemini and GPT 4.1. So yeah, you can select as you wish, but I select auto select. Okay, cool. Another things is agent ask, so I will actually explain that how you are select the agent or ask manually. So let's giving the prompt. So what kind of prompt we can give? We can giving the prompt right now. This is just create a landing page. Okay, just create a landing page. I create a normal landing page. We don't want to we want to taste it. So create a normal landing page. Cool. I'm waiting for it. Cool. I will help you to create modern and responsive landing page, and they're creating, right, HTMLs. Oh, cool. They create already. Oh my goodness, I want to accept it, bro. I accept. Okay, cool. So if I say this, like, let me set up for you the file I create. Okay, cool. If I want to see, they are already they're actually also creating CSS. But this is a really interesting things is they can write any kind of things like CSS, HTML, JavaScript in nanosecond. But when we are learn this kind of things, we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So yeah, but new generations, they don't want to spend much more year. They can actually giving the prompt as like they're talking with AI, they're building with AI, then easily they're just giving the prompts and everything will be automatically created. They're creating the thinking right now and generating. Okay, so there is the agents look like. So I'm giving the agents, that's the reason they're not asking every time. So if I giving the ask, so they will ask every time, right? So accept it. Okay, they're actually generating. Let's see. And if they are already create like index.html. This is their code. Wow, fantastic, insane, bro. Oh my goodness, today I will install, maybe uninstall or delete VSCode just because of I gave the awesome a chat box, so where I can give a prompt for create my desire for website applications, any kind of things, right? So if I say this, they actually create HTML, index.html, JavaScript, and also CSS. Cool, bro. Cool. They are writing a lot of code. So awesome. And let's see. Let's say that like I have a created modern responsive landing page with the following feature. Okay, what kind of following feature? A clean, fixed navigation bar. They're actually creating navigation bar with small scrolling, a hero section, a feature section with animated cards. Okay, an about section also, a contact form also, and a footer, a responsive design. So the page includes the main structure, landing page, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can now open file in your browser to see the landing page. Okay, I want to actually open HTML, index.html. So want to see the result. The page is fully responsive and will work with both desktop and mobile device. You can customize. So let's see. And if I talk about that, and reveal file folder, and definitely I'll go. Woo! Awesome, bro. They created. They already made it. Oh my goodness. Lots of new programmer will take 1 day, 2 days, maybe 1 week for creating this kind of landing page, but they're creating in a nanosecond. Okay, there is a neighbor home feature. Wow, what actually animations. How about contact? Let's go in homepage. Wow, fantastic. It's kind of I love it, bro. So there is a hero section, our feature card. Look at this, they're also add animation. Awesome, bro. They're also add animations. Cool. Woo. This is really interesting. Okay, about us, they actually make the skeleton. Okay, contact from, I can write John, lots of things, blah blah blah. Cool. Message and send message, and they are adding the social media icons, so lots of things, blah blah things. I love it, bro. Just giving the one prompt, they create it. Okay, I love it. And even though if you want to change something, you can actually write in here directly. For example, like about us, about our company. Cool. So if I see this about our company. And then this is the normal thing, but you can actually also change the code sections. So the whole sections you can actually change a number, even though every section you can do ups and downs, giving the prompts, giving the direction. This is the one facilities. And so Cursor provide a lot of the facilities and like checkbox, and you can giving the prompt. So why you want to use VSCode, right? So let's see this another things in here. They also add the photo. So maybe we can actually add photo for make something. Let's do it. The download login page. Can you create it as it exactly as it? So yep, let's see. Just I giving the one thing. This is the absolutely I can login page. I giving the login page. Let's see the they can create a node using photo. I'll create a new file called login HTML and add necessary CSS. Okay, bro, they're actually generating. I'm really surprised, because I'm taking much more time for learning HTML CSS, but they take nanosecond, nanominute for create it. Also, maybe the new generation getting the huge opportunity. So yeah, they're already create a HTML part right now, CSS part, and then they say that your login page is now recreated to match the design and image. The background is green. Okay, the login form is centered, white box, lots of things. So open login. Okay, where is the login? So that is our actually new file. So let's see, rebuild it, and yeah, woo, boom. Look at this, bro. Just I giving the design photo. They created as my demand. My goodness. This is really insane, bro. This is insane. I love it. So in you can explore a lot of things, and Cursor AI have a lots of file folders. Look like a kind of VSCode, and if you're actually familiar with VSCode, definitely you will be understand, and you are not facing lots of hassle. So yeah, you will enjoy it. Just try it, bro. And also in here have the one problem. So this problem is price section. So look at this. In here have so if you want to buy the Pro, so this time you have to pay $20 a month, but as the beginning times, so you can trial the 1 or 2 weeks and free completely. So yeah, that is, I think that is like really awesome things, and yeah, I hope you'll try it. So here is why Cursor AI is now my daily editor. Smarter coding saves time, removes frictions, help me learn and grow faster. I'm not just coding, I'm co-building with AI. So here's your challenge. Try Cursor AI just for one day. Use it to build a small React app or clone a website and feel the difference. Comment below if you are already use Cursor, or if you are switching today. And if you want more AI tools, code walkthroughs, and honest review, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notification. This is just the beginning. I'm making AI your coding partner, one tool at a time.